People Also Ask AI is the brand new tool that's taking the digital marketing world by storm. And in this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone exploring the possibilities of AI, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. Stick around until the end. I've got some insider tips and a special free trial offer for you. So, first things first, what exactly is People Also Ask AI? It's a software tool designed to enhance your content strategy by helping you target the most relevant and high-traffic search queries. It uses a cutting-edge AI algorithm to find questions people are asking on Google, and not just any questions, but the ones that are driving real engagement and traffic. If you're serious about SEO, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Now, let's get into the features. One of the standout capabilities of People Also Ask AI is its powerful data analysis. The software scans thousands of search queries and can pinpoint the ones that will drive the most value to your website. It does this by analyzing what people are searching for across various platforms, especially focusing on Google's People Also Ask box. This helps you create content that answers real user questions, directly improving your chances of ranking higher. Next, let's talk about ease of use. If you've ever tried using other AI tools, you know how frustrating a complicated interface can be. Thankfully, People Also Ask AI keeps things simple. You can easily access detailed reports with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, navigating the dashboard is intuitive and efficient. The learning curve is minimal, which is crucial for anyone looking to save time and scale their content strategy quickly. Another massive benefit is the tool's ability to provide actionable insights. Once you've found the best questions, the AI helps you understand how to structure your content to maximize impact. This is invaluable for creating articles, blog posts, or even YouTube videos that truly resonate with your audience. The software doesn't just give you the questions, it guides you on how to answer them in a way that boosts your SEO. People Also Ask AI also excels at tracking trends. The tool constantly updates, meaning it provides you with the most current search queries, keeping you ahead of the curve. As any digital marketer knows, staying on top of trends is key to maintaining an edge in SEO. If you're looking to get traffic from emerging topics before they go viral, this feature is an absolute must-have. What's also impressive is the customization options. You can filter search results by industry, region, or even by specific keywords you want to target. This means you're not just looking at generic queries, but the exact ones that align with your business goals. People Also Ask AI lets you hone in on your niche, providing tailored content ideas that speak directly to your target audience. Here's a biggie: scalability. Whether you're running a small blog or managing a massive enterprise, this software grows with you. It's designed to support a range of use cases, so as your digital presence expands, People Also Ask AI can scale alongside your needs without missing a beat. This scalability ensures that you're always equipped with the right tools, no matter where you are in your marketing journey. Lastly, the pricing model. Many new AI tools come with steep learning curves and even steeper price tags, but People Also Ask AI offers an accessible pricing structure that's competitive in the market. And, as I mentioned earlier, you can try this out completely free by using the link in the description below. To wrap this up, People Also Ask AI is truly an exciting tool for anyone serious about content creation and SEO. Its combination of actionable insights, ease of use, and cutting-edge AI technology make it stand out in a crowded market. If you're ready to take your digital marketing game to the next level, definitely give it a try. Don't forget, after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of my personal recommendations in the description. You can access these for free, so check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.